Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela, and in today's video we're gonna do this glamorous clown look. If you wanna know how I did this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I applied my foundation, I did the contouring and highlighter, and I also did one eyebrow. Now let's do the other eyebrow. I'm gonna use a clown white and my MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm just gonna do my eyebrow. This looks creepy. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush and apply this clown white to my eye. And then with a dry brush, I'm just gonna blend the edges. Other eye we're gonna do black, so therefore I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, and then I'm gonna use just a plain black shade. It's called Fast Lane. And with the blending brush, I'm gonna apply this shade all over my eye and also in my inner corner. And then with the clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend out the edges so I don't have any harsh lines. Inside my inner corner from this Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna take this silver shade right here. It's called Custom Rims, and I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner. And I'm also gonna add it on top of my highlighter. Okay, then I'm gonna take my Glamorous palette and I'm gonna take the black, and then I have here a small brush. This is just a normal brush that you're gonna use for painting. Now then I'm gonna draw a small round dot on the tip of my nose. And with the same black I'm gonna outline my lips and fill them in. Ta-da! We're gonna apply some rhinestones. I have here some silver rhinestones. This is for the black side. And then I have here some black. And then I have here pearls. They're normally white. I colored them just with a simple eyeliner, black, and then they go on the white side. And I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty. This is the Sticky Tack Lash Glue. This is clear one. And I'm gonna use it today as my glue. For the tip of my nose, I'm gonna use a super teeny tiny rhinestones. Yay! My nose is done. Now let's do our eyes. Then on this side I will need a bit bigger rhinestones. Then in the center I need a big one. And I'm trying to do it in the center of my eye. Then I need 3 smaller ones. Now then here will come a big one. And then I need to apply 2 more here. Then down here I'm gonna apply 2 small and 1 big. Finger these ones, I'm definitely faster. And down here I'm gonna apply 2 small ones and 1 big, like this. And then I'm gonna apply glue around my mouth, and then I'm gonna apply rhinestones. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'm gonna use the Hoodie lashes from Huda Beauty, and I'll be right back. Okay, my lashes are on this eyelash. I apply this clown white just with the blending brush. I just applied it to my lashes and colored them white, and I can easily remove this white with my makeup remover and then reuse the lashes. And that's it, guys. This is our glamorous clown look. I hope you guys like this video. If so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I see you guys in the next video.